The Courses feature can be used to incorporate video lessons in any of your groups. And the first thing you'll need to do is create a course. From your SocialGlow dashboard, click Courses from the left-hand menu, and then click the Add New Course button. From here, you will type in the name and any description that you want to add to this course. Next, you can add a cover picture. Click Browse File and select the image that's saved to your device that you want to upload as your cover picture. Then click Save to save your progress. Next, we'll go over your course settings and member options. Click the Settings tab and you'll notice something called Drip Settings here. Now this is an optional feature that releases your videos on a schedule, and this is helpful if you don't want all of your lessons to be available to your group members at once, and instead want them to slowly release at the time that you select. Now you have a few different options here. You can select off if you don't want to use this optional feature, and that just means that all of your lessons in this course will be available to your group members immediately. If you select student enrollment date, this would start your course rollout on the date that your group member first joins that group. And if you select on a specific date, you will be able to select the exact date that you want your individual lessons to become available. Next, click the Members tab, and this is where you'll be able to select exactly who can view your course. From the drop-down box, you can select the group or groups that you want to add this course to. And if you don't want the course to be available for all the members of the groups you selected, you can toggle on and off this switch for this feature here. You can also add members. You can select the individual members you want to have access to this course by clicking this Add Members button. And any members who have already begun this course will be listed at the bottom of this page. Now we'll go over creating the structure of your course. Click the Structure tab at the top, and this is where we'll be able to add your lessons and your chapters. Click the Add Content button, and you can select either Add Lesson or Add Chapter, and I'm going to go ahead and start with Chapter. You can type in the name of your chapter here, and then click the Save button. And here I have my chapter listed. We can either edit the name, add a lesson to this chapter, or delete it. I'm going to go ahead and add a lesson. And here is where you'll enter the name, the description of this lesson. You can also add it to a different chapter if you had more created. We only have the one right now. And you'll also add in the other particulars here. So I'll go ahead and get this started and walk you through the rest. I've gone ahead and filled in the name and the description of this lesson, and I also pasted in my video link. Now, if you don't want to use a video link and you'd rather upload a video file instead, you can do that by just clicking the Upload button and selecting your file from there. You can type or paste in a transcript for this video. You can upload files, and these will show as clickable attachments under the video lesson. And you can also create action items, and this is an optional feature that allows you to list items for the group member to check off as completed. Now, if you had selected any drip settings earlier, you'll see this option, or a select date option. You can adjust this to reflect when you want this lesson to be available. And if you want this lesson to be published to this course, toggle the tab in the top right from Draft to Published. Then click Save. You can continue adding chapters and lessons to your course, and once you're finished and you want it to be published to the groups you had selected, toggle that blue switch up in the top corner. You're also able to publish individual lessons from the screen by clicking on or off the blue dots here. You can also rearrange lessons into whatever order you want, and you can do the same with chapters. Just drag and drop wherever you'd like them. And lastly, I'll walk you through how to view your course in your group. Your group members will be able to view this from both the desktop or website view and also from the mobile app. I'll show you what that looks like here from my desktop first. Here I am in one of my own SocialGlow groups, and go ahead and click the Courses tab up near the top of the page. And this is where any courses that you've uploaded to this group will be listed. And I just have the one right now. Go ahead and click Open, and you'll see all the chapters I created and all the lessons within those chapters are listed here. Your group members will be able to view and watch any uploaded videos or video links you had added straight here and not be directed anywhere else. This is where the description that you had added will be listed. Any files that you had uploaded, your guests will be able to click on and view. And your action items will also be listed here, and they'll be able to check those off on the list. Next, you have the notebook that your group members can use to take any private notes and save them there. And if you had added a transcript to this is where this would be listed under the transcript tab there. Now, go back to the overview tab and you'll notice up here we have the progress bar. You can go ahead and click that mark as done button and it will show that the progress will continually fill up. And as they finish the lessons all throughout your course, that progress bar will continue to fill up until it's 100%. Now from the mobile app, from the bottom taskbar, click that second icon. Then scroll through your groups and events listed here and click on the group you want to view. From the top of this group, click the Courses tab, and this will list all the courses that you've attached to this group. Click Open, and it will bring you straight to that first lesson in that course. And if you want to view the additional lessons in this course, you can either click that Next Lesson button, or you can click the 3-dot icon, and it will bring you to a page where you can select which lesson you'd like to view.